Welcome back to Adventure and Repeats. Glad to see you. So today we're talking about this little shift fork that's in the lower unit. So if you didn't know about it, there's actually an updated version that is out on these. So this is a part of the lower unit. This is what actually runs the clutch dog forwards and backwards. So if you don't really know what it is, or if you've never seen it, so if you ever pulled your Outdrive out and you've seen this little flag thing sticking out the back, this thing is actually threaded onto this. And this runs up and down, and this runs a little actuator that cycles the clutch dog in and out of the Outdrive itself. So this right here is the old style. This is where the detent ball goes in to keep the drive in neutral position when it's in the Outdrive itself. If there was like no shift cable attached, things like that, that keeps it in neutral. At least allows the lower gear set to fall in neutral so it doesn't walk and wander if the cable's loose or worn out and causes the clutch dog to accidentally start chipping teeth and things like that on the gear set. So it's just a simple little thing. You got the little notches right there for the little actuator that cycles it forward and backward. And it's a pretty simple thing. It's a nice little square deep edge right there. Pretty simple. There's nothing crazy to it. The updated version is right here. So now this actually has like a staggered notch. So if you look at the two side by side, the notch is wider and it's stepped. The idea is when it's like this, it actually is easier for the detent ball to pull out of the notch, so it kind of gets steps and allows to work on it and work out, versus being such a hard notch that you really have to force it, and that can cause extra wear on the cable itself. So really there's no difference in these themselves. If you can compare them, the depth of that is about 350 right there, and this one is 320. So this has actually got a 30 thousandths deeper groove where that ball sits than the actual other pin itself. All the other dimensions are the same for the groove, for the notch, the things like that, the thread size. They are all the same. But the difference is in 91 and up, they use that in the Outdrives themselves. So is it a big deal if you have it or not? Well, that's up to you. If you're looking for the updated version, this does work in the older units because mine's an 89. And that is the part number right there. Now, is this worth the upgrade yourself? Absolutely. If you've got everything torn apart, it's a great time to do it. If you haven't got everything torn apart, it's not worth tearing it apart just to change this little piece out to put it all back together. So if you got it torn apart, that's the time to do it. Now, what do you gain with this? So what this is, when you go from neutral to drive or neutral to reverse, it makes it not so hard to get out of that little groove when you're going into gear. So it'll make the transition a little bit easier and a little bit less stress on that lower shift cable to help prolong its life and make it last a little bit longer and just help make it not so aggressive as a change. So is the old style work just fine? Absolutely. It's not a big deal. It works as it should, and there's nothing wrong with that. You could even take a file to that edge and try to make it not such an aggressive ramp for that little detent pin to come out of its pocket. But it's pretty simple, and that's how it is. I'm upgrading mine because I have mine already torn apart, so it's not going to be a big deal for me. And I wanted to make sure I shared the part number for that as well, because that's a 91 and up. You will not find that as a superseded part number in the old styles. You just find the old style itself. So hopefully you can like the video, comment, tell us what you think, tell us what you want to hear about, and if you have any other questions about it as well, because I'm just trying to shed some light on this to make sure everybody knows about it, and subscribe. We got a lot of great content coming, a lot of great content on the channel, so be sure to check it out. And remember to have a great adventure.